First method is for the beginners. Sit on a yoga ball and start scooping your spine to roll back to rest your crown head to the floor and turning your arms inward with close to your ear. Inhale to prepare to lift your spine and bring the elbows straight. Second way to do Chakrasana is using blocks. Turn your arms inward on the blocks and inhale to slowly lift your spine to get the elbows straight. Move your thoracic spine to between the arms. Hold it for some time. Then slowly exhale to rest down to the starting position. Relax your spinal muscles by hugging your knees and pressing thighs to the belly. Third way is for the intermediate to advanced using wall. Again, turn your arms inward. Inhale to raise your spine higher and touch your head, taking it to the wall. Slowly hold and then exhale to come down to the starting position. Resting your lower back, relaxing your arms down to hug your knees. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.